So I'm really excited because something just came in and it's 1,000 of my CDs and I have not opened them yet because I'm going to open them with you guys. And I'm getting emotional already. So I'm kind of a lot of hard work and tears and sweat and more hard work and years have gone into this time, and I just want to thank you guys for being there, sharing my videos and getting the Kickstarter to where it was, and just being there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Come look at this. And that's the front. And this is the back. And I just want to, crazy. Look at how I hold it in my hand. I just want to invite everyone out to the EP release party this Sunday. And with every ticket purchase, you're going to get an album. So I hope you guys can make it out and share and celebrate in this, because this is definitely something that I've been waiting for a long time. So see you guys on Sunday.